Welcome to my channel A Plus Mind. Now we will doing proportion. Test number 1 GD Math. Proportion means showing the two ratios or fractions are equal. Two ratios or fractions are equal. In simple words, a proportion compares two ratios and tell us that they are the same in values. For example, 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. This is a proportion because the fractions are equal. If you simplify 4 over 6, it becomes 2 over 3. You can also write it like this. 2 ratio 3 is equal to 4 ratio 6. If you take another example, for example, 3 over 5 and 6 over 10. Now simplify 6 over 10. It will become 3 over 5. Since both are equal, that's true proportion. We can write it 6 ratio 10 is equal to 3 ratio 5. Inverse. If 3 pencil cost $5, then 6 pencil cost will be 10. So we can say that proportions, the cost increases at the same rate. Pencil rate increases, cost rate is also increases. Now number of pencils increases, cost also increases. 3 pencils, 5 cost. 6 pencils, 10 costs. Now we can find out also the unknown value by the proportion. Proportions. In proportions, we also find the unknown values. Suppose a student reads one book in 2 days. How many students reads one book in 2 days? How many days will it take to read 23 books? We set up our proportion there. Proportion set there. One books over 2 days. 23 books. We don't know the days. We write it n days. Now we can use cross multiplication. 1 multiply n is equal to 2 multiply 23. N is equal to 46. Now answer will be 46. It will take 46 days to read. It says to add 3 cups of water to every 2 scoops of drink. 3 cups of water to add 2 scoops of drink. Matt adds 12 cups of water to 8 scoops of drink. Did he make that drink correctly? Now what we will do? In the direction the drink mix says, add 3 cups of water for every 2 scoops. Of mix. Matt adds 12 cups of water to 8 scoops of drink mix. Did he make the drink correctly? Let's checking a proportion. Cups over scoops. Three cups of water, 2 scoops of drink is equal to 12 cups of water, 8 scoops of drink. Now we will cross multiply. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 12. It's 24 is equal to 24. Both the sides are equal. Matt made the rings correctly. Now you can know that we can find the same values to on at both sides. We can check the scoop anything. Firstly, we check them. 3 cups of water, take 2 scoops. 12 cups of water, 8 scoops. And we cross multiply. Then we find the same values on both sides. Now proportion is the same values on both sides, same ratios on both sides, same fractions on both sides. In proportions, as we said earlier, both ratios and fractions are equals. But in the proportions, we can find and also unknown values. There is a we also solve this example to find the unknown values. Proportion is very famous to find the unknown values. This example number 2, a map scale says that 2 inches is equal to 150 miles. What actual distance would a map distance of 5 inches represents? Now, you will solve this example. Solving for unknown value. Unknown values or missing term. A map scale says that 2 inches is equal to 150 miles. What distance would 5 inches represent? Let's write a proportion. Two inches is equal to 150 mile over 150 is equal to 5 inches. We don't know the values. X, we write it X. Now we will cross multiply. Because both are equal. 2 multiply X is equal to 150 multiply 5 is equal to 750. 2 multiply X. But we want to find the X value, unknown value. We write it X as it is. 75 divided by 2. Now, our missing term is 375 miles. 375 miles. So, 5 inches on the map represent 375 miles in real distance.